Hello everyone. So today we are solving another USET NAT type question. So let's start first with reading the question. Let's read the question. A group contains n persons if the number of ways of selecting 6 persons is equal to the number of ways of selecting 9 persons. Then find the number of ways of selecting 4 persons from the group. Okay, so now in this question, if we see, they have given a question of PNC type, permutation combination type, right? So over here they have told that a group of contains of n persons. Let's start with writing the information given. So total is equal to n persons. If the number of ways of selecting 6 persons is equal to the number of ways of selecting 9 persons. So whenever they write over here the number of ways of selecting, so we should understand that it is a combination type of question. Okay, so if we see the formula for combination, NCR, where C is combination, N is the total and R is the total number of which can be selected, right? So the formula for this is N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial, where factorial represents like N factorial will be N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 and so on until it reaches 1. Okay, so this is what the formula for factorial is. So let's start with whatever they have given. We have written the information for the first line. Group contains n persons, so total is equal to n if the number of ways of selecting 6 persons is equal to the number of ways of selecting 9 persons. So now they have given another information. So they have told that number of ways of selecting 6 persons. So 6 persons out of the n. So we can write over here n c6 is equal to the number of ways of selecting 9 persons. So NC9. So over here we can say that NC6 is equal to NC9. So suppose, I'll again repeat, suppose that ways of selecting 6 persons is 10, out of n persons we can select 6 persons in 10 different ways. So we can select, similarly it is given that we can select 9 persons out of n persons in 10 ways. So this is what they mean to say, right? Suppose the number of ways of selecting 6 persons out of total n persons is 10. So the number of ways of selecting 9 persons out of the total n persons is also 10. So this is what they mean to say. We should not take this 10 as the final answer over here. Okay, so this is what they have given. Then they have asked to find the number of ways of selecting 4 persons. Now what they have asked is NC4. This is what they have asked, right? So what we'll do, we'll just take this equation. This is let's take this equation as the first equation and just solve this equation. Okay, so over here n factorial by n minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. So according to the formula I have written, again n factorial divided by n minus 9 factorial into 9 factorial, right? Just take it in bracket. Okay, now just start solving this. We have n factorial in both the numerators, so we can definitely cancel it out. One can go in division. So and then we can just cross multiply because we'll have 1 in the numerator now. So n minus 9 factorial into 9 factorial is equal to n minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial, right guys? Just start substituting. Now just take into consideration how n factorial was reducing. So first came n, then came n minus 1, then came n minus 2. So we can definitely say that n factorial will be greater than any of this n minus 2 factorial or n minus 1 factorial or n minus 3 factorial, right? N factorial will be greater. So definitely we can say that anything bigger over here, bigger number, suppose if n was 10 over here, so 10 minus 2 factorial will be greater than 10 minus 3 factorial, because 10 minus 2 will be 8 factorial and 10 minus 3 will be 7 factorial. So definitely 8 factorial will be greater than 7 factorial, right? So over here we can say that n minus 6 factorial will be greater than n minus 9 factorial, right? So let's substitute. Let's start with writing n minus 6 first, because n minus 9 you will see further that we can cancel it, is equal to, how will you write n minus 6 factorial? Start with n minus 6, multiply by n minus 7, multiply by n minus 8 until it reaches 1. So now over here we can say that we can write it as n minus 9. After n minus 6, for n minus 6 factorial, we can write n minus 6 into n minus 7 into n minus 8 into n minus 9 into n minus 10, and so on it will go. So we can write it over here n minus 9 factorial, because n minus 9 factorial over here will be n minus 9 into n minus 10 into so on until 1, right? So we have just simplified it and written it as n minus 9 factorial into 6 factorial. So now both, I'll just draw a margin over here so that now you guys can see clearly. So we can clearly say over here, both sides we have n minus 9 and n minus 9 factorial. We can cancel it out. Okay. Now just take 6 factorial over here to the other side by 6 factorial is equal to n minus 6, n minus 7 and n minus 8, right? Now just solve this out. So it will be, I'll just solve it over here. So n into 9 into 7, 9 into 8 into 7 divided by into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. We have 9, 8, 7 over here, right? Just cut it out. Okay, I hope you guys can understand. Now what should be the value of n that we are getting 9 in first place when subtracting it by 6? Then n minus 7 is equal to 8, then n minus 8 is equal to 7. Just take anything. So n minus 6 is equal to 9 first, just anything and corresponding to that number you will get the value of n. So n over here should be 15. Similarly, if we take n minus 7 is equal to 8, right? So n again should be 15. So n minus 8 is equal to 7, then n again should be 15. Okay, so we can say that the value of n should be 15 in any of these cases to get 9, 8, 7, 9 into 8 into 7, right? So the value of n is 15 over here. Now what they have asked from us, they have asked us NC4 the value, then find the number of ways of selecting n 4 persons from the group. So the group consisted of n persons. We have found out the value of n, that is 15. Now just find out NC4, that is 15C4, which will be 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial, right? So this will be 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial, and over here we'll have 11 factorial into 4 factorial. Let's simplify 4 factorial because we don't have any numerator to cut it out first. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 11 factorial, that will get cancelled. 4 into 3 is 12, so just cancel 12 also. So 2 into 7 is 14, so just cancel 14 with 7. Now what we have got is 15 into 7 into 13. We have just simple multiplication now over here. So the answer for this question is 1365, right? So this is the answer. So the number of ways in selecting 4 persons out of a group of n persons, where n we found out as 15, the answer is 1365. So that's the answer, guys. I hope you guys understood. So thank you everyone. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any questions you might comment in the comment section. Thank you everyone.